Yeah, good day. This is Chibuzo Agowan. You're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel once again. Yes, the channel, like you already know, that brings you tutorial from the technology world, especially on phones and other gadgets. Yes, and if you're new to this channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button below this video and also the bell notification so that you'll be the first to receive such a video just like this. So now let's move to the business of today. Yeah, like you already know, on March 3rd, 2020, yes, a few days back, yes, WhatsApp released the dark mode feature to Android devices and iOS. Formerly they were on beta testing stage whereby it's only limited to the beta testers, but on March 3rd it was officially released to all Android and iOS devices. Now, and also, you should take note, if you are still using the old version of WhatsApp, I would like you to update to the current version. Yes, it's only the current version you will see these features enabled, and that's how you can easily switch to dark mode. But if you are on the old version, I'll just advise you to head to Google Play Store and also update your app. Now, let's go on how you can achieve that. If you are on Android 8 or lower, I don't really know if it will work because it seems it only works from Android 9 and above. And also, if you're an iOS user, it seems it only works on iOS 13. Now, let me just easily explain how you can easily do that on Android 10 and iOS 13. It's the same method. Without wasting much of your time, you just if you're using Android 10, all you could do is just easily head to your system settings, and from your display, once you switch to dark mode, automatically WhatsApp will also switch to dark mode. And if you're on iOS 13, you can do the same method. You just go to your system, the settings of your phone and switch to dark mode, and automatically the WhatsApp dark mode will be enabled or activated. But this device I'm shooting this video with is on Android 9, yeah. So let me show you, if you're an Android 9 user just like me, how you can enable dark mode on your device. So now the first thing you do, you have to open your WhatsApp. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp. It's on light mode. I started using the dark mode yesterday, but I want to show you how you can easily do that so that you can do that on your phone on yes. So now, once you're on your WhatsApp display, you see at the top right hand corner, yes, you tap it, then you see the display that will come up. Then you move to settings. Now, while you're in your settings, the next thing you do is that you tap on chat, which is just below the account button. So now I've hit on chat. As you can see, formerly the theme that's on the display, the theme option or the theme feature wasn't there before. All you just see is just the wallpaper. So if you're still seeing just the wallpaper, I will advise you, just like I said from the start, update your WhatsApp to the current version. So now if you're using the current version, just hit to theme. As you can see, the theme, you can either choose between dark or light. So since we are switching to the dark mode, you just tap on dark and OK. Voila, you can see your WhatsApp is now on the dark mode. So you can see that with this new feature, at least it's beneficial to most people because you strain your eye less. Yes, especially at night, your eyes wouldn't have to experience any form of fatigue while you are chatting. You can see how beautiful it is. Yeah, that is just that. So that is how simple you can switch or enable dark mode, WhatsApp dark mode on your phone. So like I said, note once again, if you're on iOS 10, move to your system settings of your phone and enable dark mode generally on your phone, and the WhatsApp will be switched to it. And if you're on if you're on Android 10, yes, that was a mistake for a start. And if you're on iOS 13, you can also move to your system setting. But once you're on Android 9, you follow the step that I just showed you in this video. Well, to have a much better understanding, if you check the description of this video, yes, you see a link to the blog post I created just last night before I went to bed. Yes, you can read it and see some importance of dark mode and also how you can enable that. Yes, I list the step, or I outline the steps for you to easily read and comprehend. Now that is that. Chibuzo Agowa remains my name, and before you leave, kindly hit the like button, and also a thumbs up wouldn't hurt. Yes, just give me a thumbs up on this video, and also subscribe to this channel. Yes, you'll enjoy it a lot. So we'll meet in the next video as you enjoy your WhatsApp. And if you're experiencing any difficulty, kindly use the comment box, yes, to tell us what you're experiencing. And if you're enjoying the features already, use the comment box to tell us why and what you're enjoying about it. Yes, Chibuzo is my name. Bye bye. See you in the next video.